Hello, welcome to all of you in this session of UGC NET 2020. Let us see today research methodology, which is very important part of paper first of UGC NET exam. The first MCQ here is mean, median and modes are measures of deviation, ways of sampling, measures of control tendency, none of the above. The answer is D, because mean, median and mode are not measures of deviation, not ways of sampling, and not measures of control tendency, but the option here should be measures of central tendency. And mean, median and mode are measures of central tendency, not control tendency. So answer is here D. Research is searching again and again. No, it is not correct option. Finding solution to any problem. No, it is not again correct option. Working in a scientific way to search for truth of any problem is correct option. So answer is C. None of the above. Answer is C. Why? The research is actually a strategic scientific way to search for any kind of truth against any fact or problem. Which of the following is the first step in starting research process? Which is the first step of the research process? The answer is identification of problem, because with the identification of problem, research process starts. So answer is C. A common test in research demands much priority on any kind of research depends on its reliability, usability, objectivity. These these are very important for any kind of research. So answer is D. So answer is D. Action research means longitudinal research and applied research, a research initiated to solve an immediate problem, a research with a socio-economic objective. Action research means a research initiated to solve an immediate problem. It is action research to solve an immediate problem with the research. COVID-19 problem and the researches today going on against it are action researches. Remember, answer C. A reasoning where we start with certain particular statements and conclude with a universal statement is called inductive reasoning, not deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning. From specific to generalization. When we study specific problems and reach at generalization, it is known as inductive reasoning or inductive research. So answer is inductive reasoning. Answer is B. Deductive reasoning is not correct option. Abnormal reasoning is not correct option. Transcendental reasoning here is not correct option. Here is correct option inductive reasoning. So answer is B. Which of the following variables cannot be expressed in quantitative terms? Socio-economic status, it can be expressed in quantitative terms. Marital status can be expressed in quantitative terms. Numerical aptitude can be expressed in quantitative terms. Professional attitude, it cannot be expressed in quantitative terms. So answer is D, not C. Answer is D. The essential qualities of a researcher are spirit of free inquiry. There should be no bias in the research of any researcher. In the research of any researcher, there should be no bias. Reliance on observation and evidence, it should be fact-based research, observation-based research. Systemization or theorizing of knowledge, all the above are correct. So answer is D. So answer is D. Process of conducting research. Formulating hypothesis is followed by statement of objectives, analysis of data, selection of research tools, collection of data. After formulation of hypothesis, there is selection of research tools. So answer is C. Answer is C. And statement of objectives, analysis of data, collection of data, these are before process of formulation of hypothesis. A research paper is a brief report of research work based on primary data, yes. Secondary data, yes. Both primary and secondary data, none of the above. So answer is here C. So answer is here C. Because research paper is based on both primary data and secondary data. One of the following is not an open source software. Which one among the following is not open source software? First, you should know what is open source software. Open source software is software. Remember, open source software is software with source code that anyone can inspect, modify, and enhance. For example, Mozilla Firefox web browsing, Thunderbird email client, PHP scripting language, Python programming language, and so many. Like Apache HTTP web server is also open source software. Okay. Acha, what is source code? Open source software is software with source code that anyone can inspect, modify, and enhance. What is then source code? Yes, source code is the part of software that most computer users don't ever even see. It is the code computer programmers can manipulate to change how a piece of software, a program, or application works. Clear? Now see which of the following is not open source software. Windows. Windows is not open source software. DSpace, Greenstone, and Linux, all these three are open source software. Clear? Okay, next MCQ here is classification of all types of libraries has been made by, it is UNESCO. Answer is C. UNESCO had made classification of all types of libraries. Centers, study centers, story hours, exhibitions, and reading to literature are forms of extension service. Yes. Service of a public library. Yes. So answer is both. C. Informal self-education is possible in what kind of library? Informal self-education, not formal. Public library. Not in college library, where you should get first admission. Specific library, national library, it is public library where informal education is possible. So answer is B. Digest is a process of information. Yes, it is CD-ROM. Answer is D. Wherever you can access information from CD-ROMs. Feedback mechanism is a part of which service? Feedback mechanism is a part of which service? Answer is SDI, not reprography SAS translation service. SDI. What is SDI? SDI is selective dissemination of information. SDI is selective dissemination of information. Thank you listening carefully this lecture, and if you want more lectures, please subscribe, like, and share this channel, and comment down below in the comment box. Thank you once again. Stay at home, stay safe.